Let's be honest, scooping litter is nobody's favorite activity, but with the right automatic litter box, you can go from daily scooping to weekly emptying. I have tested the top automatic litter boxes of 2026 to find out which ones actually work, which ones are reliable, and which ones your cat will actually use. Let's get into it. The Purobot Max Pro 2 is a premium automatic litter box that focuses on one thing above all else: reliability. This unit uses a self-cleaning rake system that cycles after every use, ensuring your cat always has a fresh surface to do their business. The waste compartment is generously sized, holding up to 2 weeks of waste for a single cat. The odor control system is impressive, with a sealed waste drawer and carbon filters that keep smells contained. The control panel is intuitive, with options for manual cleaning cycles in sleep mode. The low entry point makes it accessible for kittens and senior cats alike. The app connectivity lets you monitor usage, track your cat's health, and get alerts when the waste drawer is full. The build quality is solid, with durable materials that hold up to daily use. For cat owners who want reliable, hassle-free automatic cleaning, this is a top contender. Check the link in the description below. The PetKit Purobot Ultra is the smartest automatic litter box on the market, packed with features that tech-loving cat owners will appreciate. This unit connects to Wi-Fi and gives you detailed insights into your cat's bathroom habits, including frequency, duration, and even weight tracking. The self-cleaning mechanism is quiet and efficient, with a rolling drum that sifts clean litter from waste. The waste compartment is sealed with a deodorizing system that keeps odors from escaping. The app lets you control cleaning cycles, set schedules, and receive notifications when the waste drawer needs emptying. The sleek, modern design looks good in any home, and the low entry point accommodates cats of all ages and sizes. The safety sensors ensure the unit stops if your cat jumps in during a cleaning cycle. For tech-savvy cat owners who want data and convenience, this is a fantastic option. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Neakasa M1 Plus delivers solid automatic litter box performance at a more accessible price point. This unit focuses on the essentials: reliable cleaning, good odor control, and easy maintenance, without the premium price tag. The self-cleaning rake system cycles after your cat exits, moving waste into a sealed compartment. The waste drawer holds up to a week's worth of waste for a single cat, and the carbon filter helps neutralize odors. The control panel is simple and straightforward, with options for manual cleaning and indicator lights for waste level and litter level. The open design means no doors or barriers, making it a good choice for cats who are nervous about enclosed spaces. The unit is easy to disassemble for deep cleaning when needed. For budget-conscious cat owners who still want the convenience of automatic cleaning, this is a smart choice. I have linked the Neakasa M1 Plus down in the description. The Petlibro Luma stands out with its unique design and focus on aesthetics. This automatic litter box looks more like a piece of modern furniture than a pet accessory, making it a great fit for design-conscious homes. The self-cleaning mechanism uses a rolling drum that separates waste from clean litter, depositing waste into a sealed drawer. The odor control is effective, with a carbon filter and sealed waste compartment that keeps smells contained. The app connectivity gives you control over cleaning cycles and notifications. The low entry point is accessible for cats of all ages, and the spacious interior accommodates most cat sizes. The quiet operation means it won't disturb your household. The easy-to-clean surfaces and removable components make maintenance simple. For cat owners who want an automatic litter box that looks as good as it works, this is a top pick. Check the link in the description below. The PARUUNTYS automatic litter box proves that you can get reliable performance without spending a fortune. This unit is designed for cat owners who want the convenience of automatic cleaning on a tight budget. The self-cleaning mechanism uses a rake system that cycles after each use, moving waste into a sealed compartment. The waste drawer holds several days of waste, and the carbon filter helps minimize odors. The control panel is simple, with options for manual cleaning cycles and indicator lights. The low entry point works for most cats, and the open design reduces anxiety for nervous felines. The unit is lightweight and easy to move for cleaning or placement changes. For first-time automatic litter box buyers, renters, or anyone on a budget who wants to reduce scooping duties, this is a solid entry point. I have linked the PARUUNTYS down in the description for you. That wraps up the best automatic litter boxes for 2026. Whether you want the premium features of the PetKit Purobot Ultra, the reliability of the Purobot Max Pro 2, or the budget-friendly simplicity of the PARUUNTYS, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you find the perfect solution for your feline friend, hit that subscribe button for more pet tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.